Beyoncé and Jay-Z's attorney has issued a strong response after a guest on Piers Morgan Uncensored compared the couple to Sean Diddy Combs during an interview. Jaguar Wright, appearing on the show, claimed that Beyoncé and Jay-Z had more victims than Diddy, who was recently arrested on charges of racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transporting individuals for prostitution. Diddy has since pleaded not guilty to all charges. On October 9, Beyoncé and Jay-Z's attorney, Alex Spiro, responded to the interview, telling TMZ, "There's rumors, and then there's nonsense. This goes one step further. This is a formal and pointed accusation of something baseless." He continued by issuing a legal ultimatum: remove that false accusation, which is demonstrably false, or a court is going to order you to do so. I think Piers made the wise choice and acted accordingly. Following the legal notice, Piers Morgan removed Wright's interview from the show and apologized during the October 8 broadcast. Morgan addressed the situation. Jaguar Wright made several serious allegations about Jay-Z and Beyoncé during that interview. As I said in the moment, they were not present to respond or defend themselves. Their lawyers have since contacted us to say those claims were totally false and had no basis in fact. We have complied with the legal request to remove the segment from the original interview. Morgan went on to explain, editing interviews is not something we do lightly on a show called Uncensored. However, just like the proverbial crying fire in a crowded theater, there are legal limits, and we apologize to Jay-Z and Beyoncé. The show also reached out to Wright for comment, but has yet to receive a response. Spiro elaborated on why their legal team escalated the situation, stating, "Somebody on a so-called journalistic platform took random rumors and elevated them, causing harm and drowning out the voices of real victims. That was too much for me." Although Beyoncé and Jay-Z have not directly spoken about Diddy's charges, their legal response to Morgan's interview sends a clear message. Spiro concluded, "When the Carters put their foot down, as they did here, they are sending a message. If they can't stand up for what's right, then who can? As for Diddy's case, I believe the truth will come out in court, as it always does."